Alright, this is unboxing of the self-watering grow kit. Comes with a shoestring, and I'm assuming there's a lava rocks in there, and a manual. So this is like a hydroponic catch, and it comes with like lava rocks, and this thing is, yeah. Let's see, let's look at the manual. A plant. Don't want you to get succulent, not a plant, but I believe you can do a plant. You just put the hydroponic solution into this, but you gotta make it all black. So it's a pretty cheap little hydroponic set. Okay, just this is the setup. Take out the dirt, put the string 3/4 deep, and then boom. Alright, cool. Gotcha. So I did some modifications. I basically used paper towel, surrounded it, and I put some dirt in there. So we got two to modify it. And my succulents are right there, really tiny, they're little babies. And after that, you can just put the lid on there. And boom, you have your jar. And that's the hack. But this thing could be also hydroponic if you find a sponge for it this size. So you put a giant hydroponic and paint this all black, the outside, and use hydroponics water instead of this. So it's basically a hydroponic set for really cheap, for like 10 bucks or 12 bucks. So thanks for watching, and peace guys.